Mr. Abdullahi again. We would like to handle mathematics. Remember, our previous lessons we have been handling algebra, and today we are starting length, perimeter, and area. And I also requested my learners to go through those questions who are there after algebraic topic. So today we are starting length, perimeter, and area. Under it, we shall be looking length. This is where we shall be converting units, one unit to another unit. Remember, someone might tell you convert or change centimeter to meters or meters to decimeter. So we would like to look at that. And normally it has got challenges for the learners whenever you tell them to change the units. So for today, for us to remember, we shall be using a mnemonic formula. Mnemonic formula. So we say King Henry died miserable, disease called malaria. So King Henry died miserable, disease called malaria. These are the units that we shall be converted. So King means kilometer, Henry means hectometer, died means decameter, miserable means meters, disease means decimeter, cold means centimeter, malaria means millimeters, mm. So we say King Henry died miserable, disease called malaria. King, kilometer, Henry, hectometer, died, decameter. Capital D, this one, capital D is called decameter. Remember, we have a small d here, and we have capital D here. So died, decameter, M, miserable in meter, disease, decimeter, cold, centimeter, malaria, millimeter. So we say King Henry died miserable, disease called malaria. And in between the units now we have 10. So here we have 10, here we have 10, here we have another 10, here we have another 10, here we have another 10, and here we have another 10. So we have 10, 10 in between the units. So now, when we are converting now, we must know that when we are moving up, when we are going up, we multiply. When we are coming down, we divide. That's how we solve. So for example, from kilometer to hectometer, now I'm going up. So when I go up from here to here, I multiply. When I'm coming from now centimeter to meter, I'm coming down. I'm descending. When I'm descending, we divide. So going up, we multiply. Coming down, we divide. That is how we solve. So in between. So King Henry died miserable, disease called malaria. So there's a question here. They said convert the following measurement into decimeter. Convert the following into decimeter. Convert the following into decimeter. And they said 100 centimeter. They said 100 centimeter. We want to change now this 100 centimeter. Now convert means change the following into decimeter. So they've given us 100 centimeter, and they want us to change it to decimeter. Where is now centimeter? Centimeter is here. So we stand on centimeter. So they want us to change it to, they want us centimeter to be decimeter. So now 1, 2. So I have moved now from centimeter to decimeter. From centimeter to decimeter, sorry, it's 1. So it's 1 step. So I'm coming down now. From centimeter to decimeter, I am coming down. When I'm coming down, how many steps are now? 1 step. 1 step, remember I said each step is 10. So I am coming down. When I'm coming down, I said we divide. So I'm coming down, so we say 100 divide, now 1 step, divide 10. Then cancel. What is remaining here is 10 decimeter. That's how we solve. Question B. Question B, we have 5 meters. We have 5 meters. They want us, these 5 meters to be decimeter. Now, where is meter? It's here, miserable, meter. Now they've given us meters. They want us to change that meter to decimeter now. Meter is here, so I'm going up to decimeter is here now. So from meter to decimeter is 1 step, and we are going up now. From meter to decimeter, we are going up. When we are going up, we multiply. Remember, I said that. So it's 1 step. So if it's 1 step now, we multiply times 10, which is equals to now we get 50 decimeter. That's how we solve that question. Let us go to now another one. We have 170 millimeters. They want us now to change this one to into centimeter now, decimeter. Millimeter to decimeter. Millimeter is here, remember? Millimeter is here. We change it now to decimeter. So millimeter is malaria. So remember we said King Henry died miserable. This is called malaria. Malaria is millimeter. They've given us millimeter and they want us millimeter to be decimeter. Now it's here 1, 2. Decimeter is here. We are coming down 1, 2. 2 steps now. When we are coming down now, we divide. So we say divide. So 2 steps. 1, 2. Divide by 100. Cancel point. So we get 1.7 decimeter. 1.7 decimeter. So if you go 2 steps, it's 100. 1 step is 10. 3 steps, 1,000. You go up, you multiply. You come down, we divide. So that is how we solve. Let us move to now another thing. You are told work out convert the following into meters. Convert the following into meters. 39 decimeter. Now they've given us decimeter. Remember I said small d is decimeter, capital D is decameter. So they want now us to change this decimeter to meters. Where's the decimeter now? They've given us decimeter. What you are given is what you stand on. So decimeter is here. They want us to be in meter. Decimeter is here and meter is below the decimeter. So the meter is below the decimeter. We are changing now decimeter to meters. So we move 1 step now. We descend. So 1. So it is divided by 10. When we are coming down, we divide. So we say 39 divided by 10. How do we solve? We cancel 0. We introduce point here. So that is equals to 3.9 meters. That's how we solve that. Question B, 0.123 hectometers. You change to meters now. Hectometer is here, King Henry. H is Henry hectometer. They want us, this hectare to be in meters. Where is hectare? Hectare is here. We're going to change it to meters. So 1, 2. We go up 2 steps. So we go up, we multiply. 2 steps, 100. That's how we solve. So cancel. Come here. Inagura. Cancel. Also Inagura. So the answer will be 2.3 meters. That's how we solve. The most important thing is to cram this mnemonic. King Henry died miserable disease called malaria. Going up we multiply, coming down we divide. After every between the 2 units is 10. So let us go to now another thing. Operation on length. Let us go to now operation on length. Operation on length, then you are told work out. In the exercise, in your textbook, they said work out. Question 1, they said 2 meters, 10 centimeter, plus 5 meters, 67 centimeters. We cannot add this one. So what we do, we collect the like units. So this one is meter and this one is centimeter. We cannot add them. This one is meters and this one is centimeter. So we group them now. So meter is here, another meter is here. We add now. So we say 2 plus 5, 2 meters plus 5 meters is equal to 7 meters. And this one we have 10 centimeter and we have 67 centimeter. We group them. So 10 centimeter plus 67 centimeter, which is equals to, you get 76 centimeter. Now we say 7 meter, the answer will be plus 76 centimeter. So you group them. Those that resembles, you group them together. So that's how we do 2 meters plus 5 meters. They are same. I've added 7 meter, put it here. 10 centimeter plus 67 centimeter is here. Add them, you get. Now arrange them now. 7 meter plus 76 centimeter. That's how we solve that question. On page 89, there's a question there. The question says, an athlete has a stride of 1 meter 25 centimeter. How many strides does he make in a race? How many strides does he make in a race of 0.75 kilometer? Of 0.75 kilometer. 0.75 kilometer. They said an athlete has a stride of 1 meter 25 centimeter. How many strides does he make in a race of 0.75 kilometer? They're asking the strides. So how do we get the stride? We get the stride, we say distance over the stride he has made. So we say another athlete has a stride of 1 distance he has covered, and his stride is what we divide to get the number of stride he has made. So the distance is always mostly is in kilometer and meter. The one which is kilometer and meter is always mostly is 75. So now the distance is this one, is the distance, and the stride is this one now. So we divide now. So what we say now, 0.75 kilometer over 1 meter 25 centimeter. How do we divide now this one? This one is in kilometer, and this one is in meter, this one is in centimeter. What we do now, we change everything into meters. This one, let us change this one so that we add. So let us change this one to centimeter now. 25 centimeter, so 25 centimeter, we change to meters. Ili ifanane na hii, so that it resembles this one. So let us change now. Centimeter is here. We change it now to meters. Centimeter is here. We want to change it to meters now. 1, 2. We move down. When we are coming down, we divide 1, 2, 2 steps. Now we divide 100. Cancel. Point is there. Cancel. The point will move to this side. Then we introduce 0. So it will be 0.25 meters. I'll add plus 1 now because it's in meter. Plus 1. Which is equal to now 1.25 meters. 1.25 meters. So now we say 0.75 kilometer over 1.25 meters. Where is 1.25 meters from? 1 meter plus this one. I changed this one, 25 centimeter, into meters. Divided by 100, it's 0.25. Now add plus 1 is 1.25 meters. Is this one? Now this one is in kilometer and this one is in meters now. What do? We change the distance. How do we change this distance? We change it to meters now. so that it resembles this one. So kilometer, where is kilometer? Kilometer is here. We change to meters. So 1, 2, so kilometer to meters now. 1, 2, 3. Kilometer to meters. 1, 2, 3. We are going up 3 steps. We multiply now. So time is 1, 2, 3. So it will become 0.75 times 1000 over 1.25. So this one you cancel, the point will move. This one will cancel, the point will move, will go outside. So here remains with 75 times 10 over 1.25. Now they are in meters. What we do now, this one has a decimal. We want to remove this decimal so that we divide. How many decimals are here? There are 2. If there are 2, you say times 100 both sides. Cancel, the point will migrate. Inaanza kugura this side. So this one inaenda nje. So what is remaining now is 75 times 10 times 100. 100 is from where? We removed this decimal. They were 2. So we multiply both sides times 100 times 100 over 125. Let us, by 5 is 5. By 5 is 25. By 5 is 15. By 5 is 15. 15 times 5, 75. By 5 is 5. By 5 is 3. By 5 is 1. By 5 is 2. So 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then times 100, 600 strides. 600 strides. 600 strides. That is how we solve. I'm repeating. You are getting the number of strides. For you to get the number of strides this person has made, you always divide the distance and the stride, his stride. The stride of the other leg is you divide the distance. So now, the distance is in kilometer, 0.75. Alpha, now the stride of the another leg is 1 meter 25. 1 meter 25, they are not in the same unit. What you do, you change the centimeter. It's smaller than the meter. So when you change this one, I say divide it by 100, it will become 0.25 meters. You add plus 1, it will become 1.25 meters. So we divide now. 0.75 kilometer over 1.25 meters. We change the kilometer to meter. So times 1,000. So you get, the 2 zeros will move the decimals out. So what you remain with is 75 times 10. 10 is from where? We multiplied 1,000, 10 is remained. So it's here, over 1.25. This one has 2 decimals. We remove the decimals, times 100 both sides. Cancel, cancel. We'll move the points out. So what's remaining now? 75 times 10 times 100. By now you divide, you say by 525, by 515, by 55, by 53, by 51, by 52. 3 times 2, it's 600. That's how we solve. Continue from there tomorrow. Then the exercise is there. So you go through with those questions tomorrow. We shall pick it from here. If you're not understood, I will repeat tomorrow. So goodbye.